So I bought the Nespresso VertuoPlus as an early gift for my wife since her Keurig was having some issues. I feel like she wanted this one because it does coffee and espresso, but it's pretty similar size to our older Keurig machine. Inside the box, you got a water tank, quick start guide, and it comes with a nice variety of some samples to try out. It's actually a pretty simple machine. You just have one button there in the top. Also has a removable water tank that can be rotated to the side. That way you can access the storage there in the back. Sort of just throws the capsules in there after using them. There's a little drip tray or base that can be adjusted to several different positions depending on what size of drink you're making. This one also has the automatic open and close function that once you power it on, it's actually pretty easy to use. When you push up on it, it kicks out the capsules into the storage bin on the back, making it easy to get rid of once you're done making coffee or espresso. You just push up on it to open, down to close. There's a lot of different drinks you can make with this machine. I'm not personally a coffee drinker, but my wife made a latte using her milk frother and then added some espresso, and surprisingly it tastes pretty good. She's also been using it for a couple days so far and overall seems to like it. It does seem a little tricky to get the power cord tucked underneath to go to the right side of the machine, but so far she likes it better than the Keurig. It also seems to make drinks a little bit faster, and with the foam on top, of course it's gonna look a little more fancy. She's already trying all kinds of different mixtures. I feel like our kitchen is turning into a Starbucks. If you don't want two separate machines, one for coffee, one for espresso, and you want something that works somewhat similar to a Keurig, this one's definitely a good option in my opinion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.